Hey guys, my name is Venki, and today in this particular session, I would be going to talk about a very two important feature or very two important keywords: async and await. Okay, so um, as you guys might be aware about the promises, there was the earlier was callbacks method. To overcome there was problem with the callbacks with the it just generate a callback hell back hell, and later on that after they have been observed, they have introduced promises. Okay, promises is an object which accept two parameters. Basically, it's a kind of function where you can pass your data, what to do when particular condition. First object is known as resolve, okay, and second is known as reject. Okay, so is in terms of promises we talk about, this is the real world promise. Okay, so promise is something that you are committing something to do it, and there is only the two condition would be happen. Either it could be fulfilled, or it could be rejected. Okay, so there are only the two possibilities are there. Okay, so while promises we have a structure like then, and if I have kind of nested one again, then you have to call and just keep on, and at the time you just keep on traversing, and if there any exception is there, you have to do with a catch. Okay, so async await has been used to a better programming experience, or you can say better readability. If you are putting async at your function is starting, which means that your program somewhere returning an promise, and suppose that this particular line of code is returning a promise. Okay, which means if you want to hold your cursor over here, you have to await. You have to wait. It simply means you are putting the instruction to your compiler. Hit, don't proceed further. Let me wait to complete it. Okay. So let me move fast to editor, and let's see how we can progress. Let me clear it everything. Um, let's start with the basic example. Let me put it in the same way, very simple. This is the resolve after 2 seconds. As this method is calling, and calling has been invoked, and this particular resolve after 2 minutes, and then we have a invoke then function, and then is but nothing but it which receives a promise returned by your resolve after 2 minutes, and after 2 seconds either it could be resolved or it could be rejected in that state. Okay, let's see, what happens if I put some more statements over there, and let's see how it perform. Let's go to end and executed. I'm just talking about, let's say it's executed. Okay, all executed. So let me clear everything, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. See here, calling has been invoked, call has been invoked, and resolved, which means the cursor doesn't waited over here, right? So how to resolve it now? Okay, so there is some syntactical sugar we have to add it. Or how we are going to do it. First, add async at the front of over here, async. Okay, that's one thing. Secondly, as we know, we are just receiving the promise because it's going to return the value, so we are not interested in value. So this we have to hold it somewhere in the result, and is equals to this one, and one more thing. Let me. So, okay. So result is nothing if we are just going to console dot log is equals to, let's say, result. What is the result? result result. Okay. And let's see what is the result is going to be. And rerun the program. See, we have resolved in pending state, and which is a promise. Okay, call is executed, which means they have returned nothing. It's a kind of, let's put me in this await over here. Wait. Okay, and thereafter, let's see. Just give me a minute. It's a calling. It's waiting, and see. Resolved and call executed. So it's waited for a certain time. Let me just to see what's the effect. See, if we remove, we can see if we remove the async, we can get the await is only allowed to within the async function only. So it's not possible. Await must be used within the async. And if we remove this, we'll get a placeholder for this. So it means simple. If you want to wait for a cursor for a certain location, once we are working with the promises where the certain we just want to hold for a certain period of time over there, in that particular case, we have to go for the await method, await keyword. So I hope you guys has enjoyed this particular video, and please let me know if any feedback, comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.